we unfortunately do have some more severe weather on the way, but not for tonight. Temperatures only going to be in the mid 70s by the time we get to early tomorrow morning. It's going to be cloudy and it's going to be muggy. That's how we felt all day. It was hot today, and guess what? It's going to be hot again tomorrow. Temperatures in the low 90s for most of us. If you're on the coast, you'll be in the 80s. And of course, if you're in the upper valley, we're looking at those temperatures in the mid 90s. And today, a lot of us felt like those heat indices in the triple digits. Won't be surprised if we see close to that at least by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon. And yes, you see all those little stormy icons. That's going to kick off tomorrow afternoon, not in the morning. So we should have time to get that heat, get that sun. So if you want to go out to the island earlier rather than later, it's going to be better, right? Temperatures in the low 80s. We do still have that moderate rip current risk, and our UV index is very high. So that means if you're spending any time outside, you're going to want to lather on that sunscreen. As for Futurecast, we're going to show you exactly when that rain is going to kick off, and we're going to see the chance for severe weather. Noon tomorrow, temperatures in the low 90s. By the time we get to Friday afternoon, I'm thinking around 5, 6, 7 p.m. we're going to get the chance for rain. Now, we do have a chance to see some severe weather tomorrow night, but it's not near as significant as what we're expecting by the time we get to Saturday. Saturday, we're looking at significant portions of the valley, seeing some strong thunderstorms at minimum, along with lots of rain. This is Saturday afternoon, lots of reds and yellows, so at the very minimum, we're looking at strong thunderstorms and downpours, and we are expecting to see at least some severe warning storms, and the potential for flooding is there. This is our severe threat on Saturday. All of us in that slight risk, which slight is a 2 out of 5 on our severe threat scale. And the biggest concern is going to be the flooding. We are on a moderate risk. That's a 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4 that we're going to be seeing flash flooding pretty much across the entire valley, save for the little sliver by the coast, which is in that slight, a 2 out of 4. So we're expecting to receive a lot of rainfall over the next 7 days. This weekend alone, we're going to see probably at least half of what's on the board. So over the next 7 days, when you tally it up, we're looking at up to 7 inches for some portions of the upper valley, potentially at least 5 inches as you move towards the coast, close to that 2.5 to 3 as an estimate. Of course, this is just one example, right? You can always see localized higher amounts where you are, and you know, living here in the valley, where you usually see that flooding. So it's not going to be a good idea to be on the roads or anywhere near those areas that you usually see nuisance flooding this weekend. To stay updated with all things weather, make sure you download the Valley Storm Team app. You get current weather radar, alerts for your area, and all that fun stuff. And of course, this has to happen during Mother's Day weekend. So if you have outdoor plans, you're going to want to move those inside. For Friday, remember, chance for rain is going to kick off later in the afternoon, and we have the slight chance for storms on Friday night. Our best chance for severe weather is going to be all day Saturday into early Sunday morning.